This is problem number 81 from section 7.3, proving the identity. Tangent of 3x is equivalent to 3 tangent x minus the tangent cubed x all over 1 minus 3 tangent squared x. So it's easier to usually do the more complicated side, but in this case it's easier to do the simpler side. So basically you're going to use the addition formula of tangent of x plus y, which is equivalent to tangent of x plus tangent of y all over 1 minus tangent x tangent of y. And so basically all I did was substitute in tangent of 2x plus tangent of x all over 1 minus tangent of 2x times tangent of y, but y is just x, and that is equivalent to tangent 2x plus tangent x all over 1 minus tangent 2x times tangent of x. And so we have to substitute tangent of 2x with the double angle formula, which is 2 tangent x all over 1 minus tangent squared x. So we get 2 tangent x all over 1 minus tangent squared x plus tangent of x all over 1 minus 2 tangent x all over 1 minus tangent squared x times tangent of x. What we did is we substituted here and here. So now that we have our substitution, we're going to we have to group everything together, and so we have to get this 1 into here, so we have to multiply the top and the bottom by 1 minus tangent squared x so that we can stick it together. Same thing with here, with the tangent of x, we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by 1 minus tangent squared x to have them to have the same denominator. So what I did was 2 tangent of x plus tangent of x times 1 minus tangent squared x all over 1 minus tangent squared x all over 1 minus 2 tangent squared x, which I substituted 1 minus, I multiplied it for 1, I multiplied the top and the bottom by 1 minus tangent squared x, and it gave me 1 minus tangent squared x all over 1 minus tangent squared x, and so they have the same denominator. So then here the tangent of x is going to multiply into the 2 tangent of x to give you 2 tangent squared of x. So it's going to be 1 minus tangent squared x minus 2 tangent squared x all over 1 minus tangent squared x. So we're going to get 2 tangent x plus tangent of x times 1 minus tangent squared of x all over 1 minus tangent squared x all over 1 minus tangent squared x minus 2 tangent squared x all over 1 minus tangent squared x. And this is going to bring us to here where we're going to start simplifying. So what I did was I pulled this over here and I already flipped it. So you're going to divide it by this, so it's going to be this divided by this, and so when you go to multiply it to be able to cancel things out, you're going to flip it, and so it flips to 1 minus tangent squared x all over 1 minus tangent squared x minus 2 tangent squared x. And then this side, the left side, well the top in this case, is going to be 2 tangent of x plus tangent of x times 1 minus tangent squared x all over 1 minus tangent squared x. So basically it's going to allow us to cancel the 1 minus tangent squared x's out, and so it's going to leave us with 2 tangent x plus tangent of x minus tangent cubed of x all over 1 minus 3 tangent squared of x. Now remember that our original, what we're trying to get and prove is 3 tangent of x minus tangent cubed x all over 1 minus 3 tangent squared of x. So we're almost there. You can start seeing that the bottom is already there. So the top is 2 tangent x plus tangent of x minus tangent cubed of x, and how I got that was tangent of x is just tangent of x. Tangent of x times negative tangent squared of x is negative tangent cubed of x. And so you're going to add these together. That's going to give you 3 tangent of x minus tangent cubed of x all over 1 minus 3 tangent of x, which is our final answer.